Back road camping. We found our spot. Nice sand spot. A nice big embankment here. Found a ton of wood. Cecily's setting up camp. This evening we'll be having Cherry Point State Wines, a Pinot Noir from the Reserve 2012. We'll be having this accompanying our cheese fondue with Gruyere and Emmental. Lots of garlic, and we're making that with the Unsworth Gewürztraminer, also 2012. Great year. So excited to get on the train. Classy. Good morning and welcome to Camp Beach Town. It's a hot one today. I've packed up the tent already. Cecily's working on the eggs. Definitely cooking, but it's by no means crispy. These guys are trying to light charcoal. The meat already on it. So they're just gonna scald the meat when the charcoal's lighting. First time campers.